Sometimes we close our eyes and just listen to the echoes of our hearts. We all fall in love, and there are times that we love so much that we lose ourselves in our own emotions. More often than not, we wonder why there are love that grows and love that grows cold. We would start to search for answers and try to find where love has gone wrong. But in the end, we find ourselves where we started. We cannot question love when it has its own reasons. Love will always be, as it always has been, silent, mysterious, and deeply profound. Many of us believe that love is forever, that love never dies, only to be disillusioned in the end, when we find our hands empty and our hearts longing. We mistakenly have looked at love as a need to be fulfilled. But love is only a gift given to us. We should not hold it in our hands, for we may never find the strength to let it go when it decides to leave. We should only embrace its warmth and glow while it lasts, and then freely open our arms when it's time to say goodbye. When we fall in love with someone, we don't want that feeling to end, for it is everything we are and everything that we want it to be. We pray that love will stay and grow in our hearts, but if it doesn't, then we should never let our lives be taken by it, for life should not end where heartaches begin. There is always a reason why we have to move on. When we have to say goodbye to the feelings we wanted to stay forever, let us not wave our hands with a heavy heart. For love will have to set its wings free and find a place where it belongs. We may have lost it, but then again, when we close our eyes and listen to the echoes of our hearts, we will hear that feeling resounding silently forever. Then we'll know that it has never left us. For the good that we have become because of love will always stay. It will always be there, reminding us that we should be thankful and happy, not because we have lost love, but because for once in our lives, that feeling lived in our hearts and made us happy.
Just for one. It's so lonely without you, darling. Come back home, 'cause I'm half crazy. Feeling so for my half crazy. No, hasn't been much fun at all since you've been gone. And my eyes begin to droop each time I hear our song. I spend every
Thank you for viewing.